Hey guys, have you heard about the Ocean Cleanup Project? This is a project that was founded by Boyan Slet, a young Dutch entrepreneur. Slet has come up with a solution to get rid of the plastic that is being dumped in the ocean and is responsible for polluting the ocean. What are all the different reasons that cause water pollution? One major source of water pollution is sewage. The wastewater containing human excreta, laundry waste, and food preparation waste is carried by underground pipes called sewers. The untreated sewage is drained from the septic tanks of our homes and directly dumped into a water body by these sewers. The untreated sewage contains many harmful microorganisms that include bacteria, protozoa, fungi, viruses, and parasites. These microorganisms are responsible for the foul smell, unpleasant taste, and for the spread of various waterborne diseases like cholera and jaundice. Industrial waste is another source of water pollution. The textile industry, leather industry, paper mills, oil refineries, dye and paint manufacturing industries, and chemical industries release their chemical waste into the water. Mercury, lead, arsenic, nickel, and cadmium are the chemicals that are released into the water by various industries. These toxic chemicals poison the water bodies. The toxins accumulate in aquatic organisms, and when we consume these, we ingest the toxins that will cause us harm too. Another source through which chemicals enter the water bodies is agriculture. Most often, agricultural fields are located close to water bodies. Farmers use large amounts of chemical fertilizers to increase the yield of crops and also large amount of pesticides to get rid of pests. The excess fertilizers and pesticides mix and dissolve with the water and may enter the rivers, lakes, and ponds. When these fertilizers enter the water, they provide nutrients to the aquatic plants and cause them to grow at a rapid rate. This reduces the amount of dissolved oxygen in the water. As a result, the fish and other aquatic life will not be able to survive with less supply of oxygen, and the demand for oxygen will increase. The pesticides containing chemicals will accumulate in the aquatic life, and when consumed by humans, it will cause harm. These chemicals also accumulate in the soil and make the soil unfit for agriculture, and this is one of the causes of land pollution. We need to keep in mind that all these are just the sources from where contaminants reach the water. But the most important cause of pollution is humans and our selfish desires. We need to act responsibly and be more like Slat and work towards saving our planet. Until next time.